Welcome back. My name is Dr. Baird, and today I'll be showing you how to perform the Kettlebell Deadbug. So the Deadbug is a great beginning core strengthening exercise that teaches you how to maintain a good spinal position as you move through some dynamic movements. Adding the kettlebell to this movement forces your core to engage even more, to provide even more lower back stability, which is why I love this exercise. So to perform, we're going to start by getting the kettlebell with our hands pushing it right in front of us. So again, my arms are straight. I'm holding the kettlebell on the side where the handle is facing down. Once I'm in that position, I'm going to get into my dead bug position, which is going to be hips flexed to 90, knees flexed to 90, and pulling the toes back, both sides. And so from there, all I'm going to do is drop one foot at a time and come back up. So the things that you're looking for in this exercise are the same things that you look for in a traditional dead bug, is that you want to maintain a good spinal and pelvic position throughout the whole movement. So you really want to avoid, as you drop one leg, arching at the lower back, that pelvis rounding forward, creating that overextension of the spine, which can cause a little bit of back pain. So really make sure that you maintain that good spinal position. And there you have it. That's the Kettlebell Deadbug.